Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add design variations to Printify Etsy listings step by step. First, start by creating a new product in Printify's Product Creator. If you are editing an existing product, click the Edit Design icon. Next, select the color variant you want to apply a specific design to. By default, the original design is applied to all color variants. To change it, click Make a specific design for Color and remove the existing design. Then, upload your new design file from your computer or library. The new design will only apply to the selected color variant. You will see a blue dot on each color variant that has been customized. Make sure the new design matches the size and placement of the default design for consistency. Finally, click Save Product to save your changes. Then publish or republish the product to your Etsy store. And that's it. Your Etsy listing now has multiple design variations for different colors or sizes. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.